Ever wondered if trading can really make you rich? Well, you're in the right place to unravel the truth behind financial success. In the vast world of trading, whether it's stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies, there's potential for substantial profits. The financial markets can be a goldmine for those who master the game and make informed decisions. With the right strategy, precise timing, and a sprinkle of luck, your wealth could skyrocket. But here's the kicker. Trading is not without its risks and challenges. Markets are like roller coasters, influenced by a whirlwind of factors from economic indicators to political events, and believe it or not, even tweets. One wrong step and your gains could evaporate in a blink. So it's crucial to keep an eye on the risks and manage them wisely. In the trading arena, your greatest weapon is knowledge. Successful traders don't rely on whims or gut feelings. They arm themselves with thorough research, stay on top of market trends, and never stop learning. So if you're planning to dip your toes into trading, remember to invest time in understanding the game first. Patience and discipline are not just virtues. They're survival skills in the trading world. Markets will take you on a wild ride, and impulsive decisions can lead to a financial fiasco. Keeping your cool and sticking to a well-thought-out plan can be your saving grace. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? That's a golden rule in trading. Spreading your investments across different assets can shield you from risks and ensure that one bad trade doesn't wipe out your entire portfolio. To keep you motivated, we've collected stories of real-life individuals who started with a humble investment and grew their wealth through trading. These tales of success show that making a substantial income is possible, but they also underscore the importance of dedication and strategic planning. So, can trading really make you rich? The answer is a resounding yes, but it's not a golden ticket, and it's certainly not a shortcut. Trading demands education, discipline, and a readiness to take calculated risks. If you're up for the challenge, the rewards can be truly astonishing. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with trading and whether you believe it can make you rich. Until next time, happy trading and stay financially savvy.